Here we shall talk about the new element stock indicator element. It will display your stock limit on your front end. First we shall go to the BricksUltimate tab and enable the stock indicator. Next, in product we shall enable the stock features under the inventory. Here we shall enable the track stock quantity for the product and enter the quantity like 10. I set this for one product. Okay, now update the order. At first we shall test it with the custom query loop builder. So I am opening my loop products page on the Bricks builder. Here my product loop. At first we shall add a block element. Inside the block element we shall set the wrap horizontal, under the block element we shall put two basic text element. Dynamic tag product total sales, and another basic text we shall add available dynamic tag available stock quantity. This is coming from the BricksUltimate add-on. Now we should set the space between, just adding like 20, okay. Under the block element we shall add our stock indicator component, like this is ultimate, and here is the stock indicator. So adding this stock indicator, setting the width 100%. Okay, here I have the some options like disable if low stock, height, you can adjust the indicator height, default color, and active color. Saving the page. you can see this every loop it is showing. So we shall hide this empty pattern if there has no stock indicator. So we shall add the condition at the top block, going to the element condition and checking the manage stock manager is true. It's mean that if you enable the stock manager, I am talking about this checkbox, if you managing your stock items, then the stock indicator will show. Other for other items it will not show. So we are using the stock manage is true and applying the conditions. Now refresh the page. We can see that it is showing for those items who are using the product stock manager system. Here it is. We can also check the variable product. I think it is not there. Shirt. Yes, this is a variable product. So you can also see that it is showing the stock indicator. It is showing the total variations items and total solds. We shall use this on the single product page but apply the different settings so we can see the differences there. First open the single product layout. Okay, here we shall do the same things. Can I copy it? Just first checking it. Let's copy this part and paste here. Okay, this is pasted. Now adjust the width height little spacing. Okay, here we use the same conditions and same settings, but there are some extra things for this item. For why I am saying that, go to the variable product. This is my variable product. You can see that, saving and refreshing this, you can see that it is showing the product indicator, stock indicator, but when I select the a variation item sources, you can see that the items is not changing, indicator is not changing, because if I go to my variations and you can see that I manage the stock, and for blue and any side I set the stock quantity 10, red one stock quantity is out of stock, it is 0, and green I set the stock quantity 20, enable the manage stock options, but it is not changing when I am selecting the variations. How we can implement this option? This is very easy. First we shall go to here, we shall select the block element and copy this element ID, or you can add the unique CSS class name here and copy this CSS name. I am copy this element ID and select the stock indicator element. Here you can see the context selector. This part is for the variable product item, so I am just pasting the ID, element ID, and saving this. Now we are refreshing these variable product items. First, it will select these items total sale and total available stock quantity items. Now we are selecting the variations. You can see that it is changing: sold 1 and available 0. It is out of stock element. You can see that. I show you the red and any size is 0. Next, I am selecting the blue and a large or medium size. You can show that is showing the 10 stock. Same, it is available here and it's sold nothing. And selecting the green one, and it is showing the sold one, and select 20 available items 20, because the green item stock quantity 20 and sold is sold one time. If I click on the clear or reset the variation, it will show the original total settings. So this stock selector part is most important for the single product template and variable items. If we go to the it is not showing album, you can see that is showing the sold 3 and available 10. So this way we can set the stock indicator component, and I think that it is much flexible and you can adjust the value and make the customizable design as per your site. Thank you.